is Koha? Well, it's a community, and it's also software.
It's the world's first open source integrated library system.
So it provides the librarians the functionality that they require to conduct their library operations, to be able to register patrons, to circulate materials to patrons, to be able to describe their collections.
But it was the first, and to me it's the biggest, and I still think it's the best open source option.
Entonces, en ese sentido, como todos los productos que son open source, son algo que cubren una necesidad, digamos, y son buenos en ese sentido para la sociedad en conjunto.
Who works in Koha? I think it's everyone. It's everyone.
Hi, hello everyone. My name is HAZWANI. Before I proceed, I'd like to ask you one question. You know what is Koha? No? Now, I want to talk about Koha. What is Koha? Koha is full features integrated library system, ILS. There is no cost for the lesson. You have the freedom to modify the product to adapt it to your needs. It developed initially in New Zealand by Katipo Communication with HAZWANI Library Trust. It is currently maintained by a dedicated team of software provider and library technology staff from around the group. That by adopting it, the customer becomes joint owner of the product. In particular, the customer can freely install new versions or not, and can take part in new developments by financing them or by carrying them to themselves. Why open source software Koha? Because first, it provides stable technologies. Koha is tried and tested and has demonstrated both stability and scalability used in hundreds of library worldwide. It also software collaboration and resource sharing. Software solutions that are freely available to all libraries worldwide. Library benefits from the contributions of other participating library systems. It also long-term support with proprietary software. Source code is closed, and support and feature development of the product rely on the success and resources of a single vendor. If the vendor goes under, so does your product support. Open source solutions rely on stable code base developed and supported by many providers worldwide. And Koha also uses driven, open source software uses driven, where you decide what features are important and deserve attention rather than a vendor. There are 7 modules of Koha, include cataloging, membership modules, report generation, escalation, OPEC, acquisition, and series. For cataloging modules, the cataloging modules is one of the principal strong points of Koha. Several frameworks can be defined to do different cataloging for monograph, electronic resource, and periodicals. For copy records, one or more copy records can be attached to each bibliography record, and for such can be performed on any mark fields. An advanced function search on one word at the beginning of the field. For membership modules, the member module of Koha maintains members' record containing details such as name, address, telephone, fax, email, membership number, card category, address, and others. For add new members, using this function, new members can be added. We can add adult or institution by using this option. For report generation modules, report module is a very important feature in Koha. Report is used to find the information about patrons, cataloging, and most collected items. For Koha escalation modules, the escalation system maintains up-to-date membership record and the latest status of the collection mean for escalation. There are For checkup, while issuing a book, the respective user's last name or memory card number is key in the place provided in escalation sections. This take to the issuing form, which include the item number block. For Koha escalation model, also check-in. Check-in of the book is known as return in Koha. If any issue book is returned on off after due date, the item number is key in, which provide the details about the book as well as the member information. For the overdue notice, the overdue notice are generated by having any document, monograph, journals, or document on loan under ILL that maintained directly to member optionally, along with overdue title may generate for the record of the library staff. One of the most important in Koha is OPAC. Koha provides a full functioning online public access catalog, which is OPAC. OPAC users can carry out search starting from the field like keyword, subject, title, class, barcode, author, publisher, and other. As in the library interface, they can order the results according to several criteria. And for OPAC users who are logged in, members can place reservation on library items. For Koha acquisition modules, they are divided by two, which is simple acquisition and full acquisition. For the simple acquisition module, make it possible to acquire materials and add them directly to the catalog. It doesn't manage budgetary matters. The orders placed with the suppliers. And full acquisitions module, the full acquisitions module make it possible to manage, which is budgets and funds, budget available, committed, spend supplier, order via shopping baskets. And last but not least, for Koha series models, Koha manage light issues, keep issue, and clean with the supplier. Koha manage complex classifications, allowing the librarians to work with 11 different publication periods, from daily newspaper to annual publication, with delayed publications and with publication out of sequence. And now, how to use Koha? Let's learn how to use Koha.
Hello, my name is Nicole Engard, and I'm the Director of Open Source Education at Bywater Solutions, and today I'm going to give you a quick tour of the Koha Open Source Integrated Library System. From the Koha online catalog, visitors can perform both simple and advanced searches. The results are returned with basic information about the titles, as well as enhanced content such as cover images and patron reviews. In addition to being able to search the library's collection via the OPAC, patrons can log in and access personal account information, such as items they have checked out, overdue items, and on-hold items. They can also review their fine record, contact information, and view personal content such as tags, purchase suggestions, and lists. All of these options can be turned on and off via the Koha staff client, which we're going to take a look at now. Since Koha is a completely web-based system, librarians access the staff functionality right from their browser. Upon logging in, staff are presented with a menu of options specific to their role in the library. In this example, we see all staff functionality because we are logged in as an administrator. Koha is a full-featured ILS with circulation, cataloging, acquisitions, serials, reporting, and various tools. As an administrator, we have the ability to access a very powerful set of administrative modules, allowing us to change the way Koha functions without the help of a technical staff. We're going to take a look at the extensive list of global system preferences to see how easy it is to turn on functionality, such as tagging in the OPAC. We simply visit the System Preferences area, click on the Enhanced Content tab, and scroll to the Tagging Preferences. From here, we can choose to turn on tagging by selecting Allow from the Tags Enabled preference and clicking the Save button. A change like this automatically takes effect in the OPAC, and now patrons are able to add tags to catalog items. Other system administration options include setting up categories for patrons, item types, and defining your circulation rules. When it comes to other staff functionality, such as circulating items, the steps can be just as simple. To check an item out to a patron, you first search for the patron using their barcode or any part of their name. This can be done using a barcode scanner or by typing in the search box. Once you have the patron record open, you can start checking items out by scanning or typing barcodes. Each item checked out will be added to the patron record for you and the patron to review. When it comes time to check items back into the system, the process is just as simple. We visit the check-in page or use the quick check-in box at the top of the page and read the item's barcode or tag. It is at this point that circulation librarians will be notified of any transfers or holds they might need to confirm before moving forward. Before you can circulate items, you will need to have added them to the catalog. In addition to original cataloging functionality, one of the nice features in Koha is the ability to copy catalog using Z3950 search right from the cataloging interface. From my blank catalog record, I have chosen to search for my title in the Library of Congress catalog, and have found that they have already cataloged the item for me. I click Import, and the marked data is brought right into Koha. From here, I can alter the record to meet my library's standards and save my new item. Once the bib record is saved, I am asked to enter data related to the item I have in hand. I enter basic information like item type, collection code, and barcode, and then save my item. Once saved, you can perform circulation functions on the item. One example would be to place a hold on the new record for a patron. To do this, you click the Place Hold button, or the Holds tab to the left of the record. From the Holds page, you can search for the patron by barcode or any part of their name. Once you choose the patron, you can place a hold on either the next available copy or a specific item. Once the hold is registered, you will be able to move the patrons to different places in the hold queue if necessary. That's all the time we have for today, but I encourage you to try the Koha demos on the Open Source Open Libraries website to learn even more about how you can use Koha in your library.